City Chef Productions. Today we're going to review the Siemens built-in oven type HS658GXS1. This is an IQ700 Siemens range, and it's a fully integrated oven, and it has a full steam function. It's 60 by 60 centimetres, has a cavity size of 71 litres, and it's accompanied with a grill rack, several baking trays, steam trays, and a temperature thermometer, so you can actually plug in a thermometer and get accurate temperatures of your food if you wish to use that function. It's got a full drying function, self-clean, many sensors to ensure that cooking is done to perfection, and has a water container which you place in the machine for when you do steaming. You quite often just leave it out if you don't do steaming, but do not leave it full with water, just dry it out after each event. Now right, I'm now going to show you how it works. But first of all, this is the oven. It's got a light that comes, LED light. It's got a nice grid, put your trays on to grill directly if you want to. And it's got another rack, so you pull these racks out and you can actually look at your food without actually tipping over, which is a good feature. Okay, I'm now going to close it up and turn it on. The water container, it's very difficult for me to do this because it's built in a novelty centre oven, but it's below a hob, it's not level with eye level. So you can see that little sign there. It means you open the water container, or you open the control panel, which then you lift up. You then can put the water container in. And just press this down and it goes in like that. Okay, this comes default, of course it's a German device, so it comes default with German language, but you can change the language to a majority usual languages. It's obviously got English on it, it's got Polish on it, French, German. Oh, right, I'll just sit down because that's the way I have to do it. Okay, so I'm now going to turn it on. It comes on, this one is defaulted to the conventional, what I call conventional oven. No microwave, no nothing. You see you've got hot air, they call it a 4D hot air, but basically it's the turbo fan inside. You've got top and bottom heat, which is the conventional oven heat. You've got hot air eco, which just takes a little bit longer, more economic. Top bottom heat eco. Hot air grilling. Now this is good because you've got the oven fan, and you also got the grill at the top, and it works intermittently. Grill's on, then the oven's on, the grill's on, the oven's on. You've got a grill, you've got a large area grill, so you've got a complete grill area, and you've got various levels of grill. The maximum is number 3. You've got a small area grill, which is just the centre part, if you've just got a few sausages or whatever you want to grill. Pizza setting. Now this gives you the fan oven plus some extra heat from the bottom to bake the pizza crust. All these settings have got default temperatures. I mean, the pizza says set at 200, but you can change the temperatures. Intensive heating, that's from the top, and double from the bottom for products that need intensive, or food that needs intensive heating. You've got low temperature cooking. This is rather like a crock pot where you put your stew or whatever you want in and you bake it for, I don't know, 5 or 6 hours, 7 hours. This is default to 80 degrees C. You've got bottom heat only. You've got a drying function if you want to dry fruit or vegetables out. And this is a useful one, you've got a keep warm function. So once you've cooked your food and people aren't ready to eat, you've got a keep warm function. And you've got plate warming. I always fancy having a plate warmer because I always get accused of serving cold plates. Okay, cool start function. And this, if you've got something directly from frozen food, you could put it on the cool start and defrost it and cook it for the hot air. On this side, you've got the temperatures. You can change the temperatures with the centre wheel. You can add steam. You've got off. You've got got low, medium and high steam. This is when you combine the steam, not the full steam function. Okay, so that's that. Right, now I'm going to go to the menu. You've got types of heating, which is what we've just been covering. You've got steam. Now this gives you a full steam, and you can set this, it's a full steam program, so it's steam only. Steam only, you can set the temperature and you can set the duration. You've then got reheat, using steam to reheat food, dough proving if you're making bread, defrosting for steam, so it's steam only. Okay, go back to the menu. Cleaning, it has a cleaning function. It's also got tips. Look, you press the cook's tip, it says remove accessories, accessory holders, loose food, remains of fat, and then you press start for the clean. So I'll go back to the menu. And it also does descaling because it's a steam oven, and when you set it up you have to calibrate it, and that's another video of mine. You also have to put in what your water hardness is, so it knows when to descale. More cleaning, type of heating, steam. Okay, descale more. Meals. Okay, you've got meals. Now this is where it acts as a combination. It's a combination oven. It does traditional oven baking. It does hot air. We've got a fan in the back. It does microwave, and it does grill. So if you go to the menu, this basically, if you don't know what you're doing, you know what you want to cook, just go to this menu, but you must not use metal work when you're dealing with microwaves. Just use glass dishes, and glass dishes with a top. Okay, you've got cake, you've got baked soufflés, frozen products, poultry. Let's look at poultry next. Chicken, duck, goose, turkey. Well, let's do duck, see what okay, next. Duck not stuffed, goose legs, goose breast, goose stuffed, goose not stuffed, duck breast, duck stuffed. Next. Now, cook's tips. Wire rack on universal pan level 2, so it tells you even how to do it. Adjust, you can adjust it gives you a default for 2 hours. And you can also put weight in. It's now giving you a default, but you can adjust it. And we're going to go back, 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 back. So that's poultry, frozen products, poultry. So meat or not meat, let's see what's on meat. Pork, beef, pot roasted beef, fillet of beef, medium, sirloin, rare. So basically, you don't need to work it out, you just need to use the menu. Back to menu. Types of heating. Okay, so that's that. Cleaning functions. Well, I think we've covered it there. But it's a brilliant job. Very good on steam. I've done a steam risotto. Instead of having 3 saucepans on my hob, I just mix it all together, put it in the oven, 20 minutes, risotto done. And it also does some nice blueberry and apple compote. So there we are. So that's basically a brilliant oven. Let's take the water tray out, lift it up, take it out. Very simple. Push it all down and turn it off. You also have fast warming if you want to do something you do the fast warming, I'm going to type heating, fast warming, rapid heating activated. That means it will warm up, get up to temperature before it starts cooking for the timing set. Also you've got your timer. So that's it basically. Very, very good oven. So off. So that's the integrated steam, full steam oven.